Hello students, hope all of you are fine at your places. Today we will continue our chapter 8 motion for class 9th. Now in our previous chapter, in our previous lecture we have read about equations of motion. Equation of motion when object is in uniform acceleration. So three equations हमने कौन सी पढ़ी थी. First one is v is equal to u plus at, and it is also known as velocity time relation. It is also known as velocity time relation. Then we have read second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. It is known as position time relation. Position time relation. And third equation we have read 2as is equal to v square minus u square, which is also known as position velocity relation. It is also known as position velocity relation. So these three equations you have to learn by heart. You have to, if it comes in 3 marks, you have to explain your graph, you have to draw the graph, you have to explain your graph, and then you have to deduce the equation. So in today's lecture we will talk about uniform circular motion. Now, what is uniform circular motion? An object move in circular path. Before it, we will revise velocity change. When velocity changes under 3 conditions. First one is change in magnitude, means object is moving in a straight line and its magnitude change. Suppose earlier it is moving with 10 km per hour, and after some time it moves with the speed of 15 km per hour, and it is moving in a straight line only. That means here change in magnitude is there, because of this velocity changes. And second is change in direction. The object is moving uniformly with uniform speed, but it changed the direction. Earlier suppose it is moving towards east, now it take a turn and it move towards the south. So there is a change in direction. So velocity, we will consider that velocity changes. And in third case, change in magnitude and direction. The speed of object change and it also changes its direction, then also we can say that velocity is changed. So these three are the criteria when we can set velocity is change, object velocity is change. Suppose we have a square or rectangle with 4 sides, A, B, C, D. 4 sides are there, A, B, C, D. Now here object is moving with uniform speed, but its velocity changes. How many times? Let's see. The object moves from A to B, then B to C. When it moves from B to C, there is a change in direction. So velocity change here. Then from B to C, then C to D. Again it take turns from here, it change the direction. That's mean in a square or rectangle, how many times velocity changes? 4 times. 4 sides are there, so direction change how many times? 4 times. So velocity change is also 4 times. If we see hexagon with points sides A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 sides are there in a hexagon. So here how many times velocity changes? Yes, 6 times. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and F to A. Again 6 times velocity change will be there. And if we see an octagon with sides A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 8 sides are there. So velocity change here is 8 times. As many as time direction changes, velocity changes also there. So if we make infinite sides of an object, of a path on which object is moving, so how many times velocity change take place? Yes, it is also infinite. Let's take an example of circular path. Suppose this is a circular track on which object is moving. You can see at every point, here, it changes its direction. Object changes its direction. So at every point, if object is changing its direction, that means its velocity is changing at every point. Here we have drawn the tangent. Now what is tangent? A line which passes through a circle once. एक जगह जब सर्कल को टच कर रहा है, that is the tangent. If we draw line like this, here to here, that is not tangent, because here line touch 2 times to the circle, one here and one here. So that is not a tangent. Tangent is when only line touches the circle once. This is the tangent. This is a tangent. So this is the path of the changed velocity. At this point, the path of the changed velocity. So circular motion is also known as accelerated motion. The circular motion is also known as accelerated motion. Why? Because here speed is constant. The object is moving with constant speed, but direction changes at every point. And when direction changes at every point, what we will say? Acceleration is there. That's why uniform circular motion is known as accelerated motion. Now, time period for complete revolution, or time period, it is calculated by distance over speed, that is 2 pi r over v, that we have already read. Now, circular motion with constant speed is also called uniform circular motion. Why uniform circular motion? Because speed is constant. The object is moving with the same speed. That's why it is known as uniform circular motion. Again, just keep in mind that uniform circular motion is also known as accelerated motion, and it is also known as uniform circular motion. Circular motion is also known as accelerated motion and uniform circular motion. Why? Because here your speed is constant, and second thing, the direction changes at every point. So stay safe, stay home. Thank you.